Friends, welcome to my channel Tradomatics pre-market index analysis after monthly expiry. Let's come to the point. Nifty takes support from near 10,800 and closed above 10,800. So my observation in the present scenario of Nifty is if it sustain above 10,800 to 11,000, it will try for 11,000 to 11,300 zone. Otherwise, if Nifty breaks and sustain below 10,800 on closing basis, then it will try to range bound in between 10,600 to 11,000. Let's come to Nifty chart. Finally, Nifty comes to take support near 10,800. As per chart formation, if Nifty breaks 10,750 as on closing basis, then it will try for 10,500 to 10,800 range, or it will try to make a range bound in between 10,800 to 11,250. Let's come to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty closed near its reversal support zone, that 20,500 to 21,000. So for now, if Bank Nifty sustain above 20,800 to 21,000, then it's likely try for 22,500 plus zone. 21,500 plus zone again. Else, if it slips below 20,500, it's try to maintain a range bound move between 20,200 to 800 and reverse from that strong support zone. Let's come to Bank Nifty chart. So Bank Nifty breaks 21,000 and takes support near 20,500. So as per chart formation, if it sustain in between 20,500 to 21,000, then it's good for further uptrend. Otherwise, it will maintain its range bound in between 20,500 to 21,000. As per my exploration, there have some trading opportunity for index future. That's for Nifty future. There is a crucial resistance for Nifty future, that 11,085. To achieve this resistance, there have two more resistances. That's 10,929 and it's 11,980. There is a crucial support for Nifty future, that 10,626. To achieve this support, there have two reversal supports. That's 10,765 and 10,680. Same as for Bank Nifty future, there have a crucial resistance for Bank Nifty future, that 21,000. To achieve this resistance, there have two more resistances. That's 20,620 and 20,800. Same as for Bank Nifty future, there is a crucial support for Bank Nifty future, that 19,900. To achieve this support, there have two reversal supports. That's 20,300 and 20,126. As per my exploration, there have some volatile stocks for intraday trading opportunity with trading range with midpoint. So what is the midpoint and what is the trading range? If a stock sustain above its midpoint, it increases volume with price, then the upper range is denotes for its higher resistance to achieve with support of midpoint. Same as if a stock sustain below its midpoint with increases volume, then lower range is denotes for reversal support with resistance as midpoint. So Godrej Industry, that LTP is 403, its upper range is 435 and lower range is 390 and midpoint is 415. So if Godrej Industry sustain above its midpoint, that 415, with increases volume, then it's likely try for its upper resistance, that 435. Same as if it sustain below its midpoint with increases volume, it's likely reverse from its lower range, reversal range, that 390. Same as every stocks have upper range and lower range with midpoint. You can note down every stock's range with midpoint with LTP for intraday trading. Godrej Industry, that LTP is 403. PI Industry, that LTP is 1892. VBL, that LTP is 682. Hindustan Unilever, that LTP is 2060. Kolpal, that LTP is 1373. Coromandel, that LTP is 795. ICICI Pru, that LTP is 414. Berger Paint, that LTP is 575. Godrej CP, that LTP is 691. Natco Pharma, that LTP is 851. You can note down every stock's range with midpoint.